Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's good, Benny? What's good? What's good? What's good? Gold is pushing. Gold is pushing. Emmanuel just chilling in the building. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Hey, you're English. What do you know about Cinco de Mayo? We don't celebrate that. We don't celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Like saying it. What's happening, Rosie? What's good, man? What's good? What's good? What's good, though? Alright, guys, let's see what's shaking for us today. As always, let's start with the daily, since it's Tuesday. So, today's daily candle has respected yesterday's low and is now pushing up. We're now pushing up. 4 hour also holding at this lovely support right here. Beautiful support where we held yesterday. And I think this is the start of the drive up. So the sells, the double top actually played out. It played out pretty much nearly to a T. Nearly. Because look, we had the neckline here, the head up here. So say it was like 670, 700 pips. Let's go 670, 680 right here. If we drop down 670, 680, so we got to about 600 pips. It would have finished at about 44.90, 6.97. But I mean, once gold broke the neckline, we came down, completed that pattern, and now we are pushing back up. So I think we could get a double bottom here. So if we stay stay bullish, we've got this would be the neckline up here, this would be the other low, and then we push up. This is what I can see happening. This is what I can see happening if we stay bullish on gold, which I think we will. So let's measure where this plays out. 1,000 pips, about 1,010 pips, so up to 4,740. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, back up to the highs. I think if we don't get any crazy war news, if we get war escalations, I think we'll see some sharp sells on gold. I don't think it will turn gold bearish, but I think we'll get some bearish reactions to the news. Currently though, 4 hours bullish, daily's bullish, so I would like to take some buys today on gold. I would. But nice uptrend structure on the lower time frames going up. Let's see, 1 hour, 2, yeah, nice uptrend structure. Beautiful. We don't have news until 3. Services PMI and Jolts job openings, both at 3. I think we have a good day today. think we have a good day today. Normally I'm not a fan of heavy news weeks, but I'm looking forward to today. Looking forward to this week, I would say. I prefer less news. I hear it. How's everyone's London session? I was looking for buyers during London and I just couldn't find a good entry. I either wanted a buy up from a support or a support to be retested to get in, and it just never happened. So we had like support there, support here, and we just never came back and retested any of these levels. Price had come down and held here, then the buys up would have been great. Just didn't happen. Let's check out NAS. NAS broke out. Wow, what a breakout. NAS is really head. I think NAS hit the TP that I had using the fibs the other day. I feel like it was higher than 27.05, 27.5. I think it was higher than there. Look, nice continuation pattern on NAS too. Strong bullish, weak bearish, continued bullish, broke the high. Oof, real nice. Real nice. I don't even know where NAS is trying to go at this point. Alright, we got some 1 hour lows to the 1 hour highs. Look at that. Pulled back perfectly to the 61.8. Lovely pullback. Pulled back to the 50. So 27.918. I think that's a decent target. What's that? Far away. 100 pips. 100 pips. Yeah. That's a good target for NAS. And pound yen. Thought I had some analysis on GJ. There we go. Oh, it's the wrong chart. It's on the wrong chart all day. Yeah, I'll leave that. GJ's pushing. Nice. How you feeling about pound yen today, Rosie? Thought GJ was going to be sells based on JPY. I thought so too, but at the moment it looks like it's pushing up. I mean, you have to see how it reacts to these old levels first. Got resistance right there, got support right here that we had to push up from. So if we break back into the 214 area, we could go back up. I haven't really looked at anything to do with the yen. USD JPY saw a chunky spike to 157.85 before fading back to 157.40. No clear driver flagged. Markets on edge as fresh US-Iran attacks dent optimism over a peace deal. So the attacks are back. Oh man. They're still attacking. Let's see. US trade balance. We're in contact with the South Korean ship hit by Iran. Oh, Iran's out here fighting. So many opportunities on the market today. Yes, it looks so. It looks so. It looks so. See GJ close above. Could get there in the next 20 minutes. 16 pips. You know, GJ is a slow mover. Real slow mover. Very slow mover. Haroon, what's good? Before we start, our congrats Arsenal. Yes. 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 That was a close. It was a close game. It was a close game. City bottled it yesterday. Oh man. Proud of us. Proud of us, man. Proud of us. Got the title now, Champions League to make double. Man, Atletico Madrid though, it's gonna be a tough game after that first draw. But we have home advantage. We have home advantage. Not that it mattered when it came to Bournemouth, but I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Oh yes, oh yes. Can Arsenal do it? Man, we're great end to the season. The double. We still don't have any attack though, man. Our attack is just not on point. We need better attack. Lose to PSG or Bayern in the final. Yeah, PSG's always been cold. Mbappe or not, like they're still doing their thing. And Bayern, yeah. Anyone that does make it to the final, obviously they're pretty much top of their league, aren't they? So yeah, it's gonna be some real tough games. I would love for Arsenal to do it. I don't think if we had an all-rounder team, like world-class strikers, world-class mids, world-class defense, I think we'd do it. But we're lacking. We're definitely lacking in certain areas, so I don't know if we got what it takes. I don't know. Premier League though, that's ours. I might actually go to the parade. It's not too. I'm Northwest London. That's North London. It's not far though. I think it'll be good. I think it might be good. All right, let's see what we got going on in the markets. You know, yapping about football. I really do like the buys. What I don't like though is all of these bullish 4-hour candles. Just straight. I mean, we had straight bearish candles. Why not straight bullish? The buys up are always way slower than the sells down. Ben, you're bugging. You bugging. I'm losing my pens. How is that a thing? I have so many. Hey, Ali Effects, what's happening? What's his name? Little pullback here on gold. A little pullback, just a little some, just a little some. Nice little continuation pattern here. If we break this low, drive down a bit. Not really worried about 5-minute candles not having bottom wicks. What's up on gold? Hopefully the price. Hopefully the price. If I'm scalping, I try to follow the daily candle as much as possible. So if the daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, got bullish structure on the lower time frames, I would like some buys. I think we do need a bit of a pullback here first, and then some buys up, just a little. Resistance, support, push up, continue that structure. On NAS, where do you think after the break and retest price will head? Because price has never reached that point since. I literally drew a fib with a target on it. You just scroll back a little bit where you see I put a fib on NAS. See how I drew the fib, and you should get you should see the target I set. I don't actually remember what it was. Does anyone remember the target? I remember saying it was about 100 pips though. About 100 pips, something like that. $27918. There we go. That's the target. Phantom, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing today? Spike down on Goldie. Spike down there. Do you think Nas will dump on open? It's been pumping up. I don't know about dump on open. I don't know. See what happened yesterday. Let's see. A big push yesterday. Well, not a massive push, but had a push yesterday. We had a push on Friday. Massive push on Friday. Oof. Into all-time highs again at market open. One thing with Nas is I haven't really properly back tested market opens. It would be great if I did. We're already at all-time highs again. But Nas is just so bullish. Nas is so bullish. You don't really trade it though? Oh, okay. Bro, I missed your message. I'm good, just looking at the charts after making 1290 during the London session. What a great day. So what's cooking? I'm waiting for gold to create a little level for me to buy up from again. That's what I'm waiting on. Waiting for gold to... I think we may get a retest. Maybe. Maybe. The XY is selling right now. I think you guys can hold longs. I've been bullish on gold for the beginning of this week. I've been bullish on gold. So furthest I wanted gold to drop was 4,500, which is done. And then I think 45 becomes the new lowest point, and then we push up from here. That's kinda how I'm looking at gold. Bullish here. Only thing I think that might drive some gold sells are war headlines. I think if we get some war headlines, we may see some gold pullbacks. So I'm hoping we don't get too much. I'm hoping we don't get too many. I hope we don't get too many, because that would be the worst. It'll be the worst. The war escalation increases the US dollar and oil still. How is oil doing actually? Let me look at oil. How is oil actually doing? Still above 100. Maybe we get a little range before news, because we do have news very soon. DXY, let's see. DXY doesn't look like it's going down right now. Did make a high and then drop. Ranging as well. Yeah, let's see how the news plays out in an hour. But this 4 hours about to close. H4 break and retest. Ooh, what you mean on this 4 hour here? Like we broke, retest. I still want gold to go up. It would have been nice if it did close above this level here, but to be honest, for me, when a level is broken, I kind of delete it. So I would have, you know, really look at it like this. But if it had closed above, then I would delete that zone. But if we hold here, then I'm gonna leave it. And I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. What we can do is look at how the news reacted last time it came out. That's what we can do. So services PMI was April the 6th at 3. April the 6th. Slightly bad numbers. Not that bad though, but let's look, see. April 6th, what am I doing? April 6th, 3. -15-minute time frame. I want to be on the 30. Okay, so this was services PMI. Last time it came out, you had a wick down and then pushed back up towards the end of the candle. Nice. That's on the bad numbers. Bad numbers are supposed to be bullish for gold because it's bad numbers are bullish for gold because it's bad for USD, bearish for USD, therefore inverse. So we had to push up. Was that the only news on that day actually? Because sometimes it comes with other things. We had Trump speaking in the evening. Alright, Jolts. Let's check out what happened with Jolts. March 31st. Was it by itself again? Yes. Oh, it had consumer confidence. March 31st. Let's see what's goody. Ooh, March 31st. We had, I guess they're both good numbers because when stuff comes out as forecast, it's usually good for the currency. And then green is obviously very good numbers. And it was a little push up. Doesn't seem very high impact. I mean, look, it dumped right after. Well, not dumped, but it dropped back right after. And engulfing too. And then pushed up. Weird. Very weird. Alright, so 4 hour candle closed below this previous support. Oh, damn. My bad. I was saying we got the new 4 hour candle. And if it breaks this high, if it doesn't break this high, I think we get a bit of a pullback. But hopefully, if it does pull back, it stays above this previous 4 hour candle low. So above 45.40. think we get something like so. Just a little drop, respect this height, so respect this area, and then push up. So something like that. I think something like that. Good. Pushing. Barely a bottom wick on this candle. That's never good. That's never good. So we broke that previous 4-hour high. Broke that 4-hour high. Oof, 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 oof. I want buys after the bottom wick. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Not feeling this. Not feeling this. Can't lie. This is not the best. Can't believe gold just pushed straight up. Do 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 do. I don't know if price is coming back for this bottom wick just yet. Gold is gone. Not even trying to wait for us. Like that. Oh. It's pushing up to the New York high level of yesterday, and I guess DXY is pushing to the New York low. Yeah, I see. Literally, if this resistance here holds, this lower time frame resistance, I think we get a bit of a pullback. I do think we have to come back for this bottom wick. Coming back to fill the FVG on the 5-minute time frame, maybe later on. What's the price for that? See what the Nas is doing. Yeah, I know what pair. I mean, like, what price? What's this? Where is the fair value gap? What price is that at? Yo, I see GJ's pushing though. Look at this. GJ's out of here. Yup. Promise a bullish one from 45.66 to 45.73. Okay. 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 We're saying a little drop back and then a push up. I want gold to come back for this. Leave a wick on this 4 hour right here. Just to drop back and do that. That's what gold really needs to do. It has no business being all the way up here. There's no range at the bottom of this candle. That's what gold needs to do. And then it can continue up after that because we're bullish on gold now. Wait for rejection at this resistance. Yeah, if it rejects here, that'd be good. That'd be good. It's a little pullback from here. Yep. That could work out. That could work out, I think. I think so. Alright, so we hit this resistance. Hit this resistance. Can it hold? Slap gold down a bit. I didn't expect this much of a move before the news, to be honest. I didn't expect this much of a push up. Not straight away. I wanted structure, I wanted a resistance and then a support, but I didn't expect it to be bearish candle then a big bullish candle right after. Kind of wanted to break it up a bit. Little pullback, little support, and then, you know, maybe buys on the next support as we continue up. Have a little break of structure and then keep pushing, but we just dropped and then straight up. Only 15 minutes before this candle ends. So let's see how it closes. I have certain rules that I follow, and getting in, taking a buy when there's a candle, previous candle has no bottom wick. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Evan, good afternoon or good morning. How are you? Oh, we broke that resistance. Broke it. It's no good. Oh yeah, gold is leaving us. That's good, man. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. It's pumping up. Jeez, man. Right. Right. Come back down for us. Shoot. Gold left us. Gold left the building. It can't not have a H4 bottom wick. I think it comes back for the bottom wick. I actually do. I think it comes back just for the fact that it's hourly, 4 hour. Yeah, I think it does come down. At this point, I'm waiting for gold to break structure. I mean, I would have been looking at the buys up if we had a bottom wick. Either way, I still want buys. I just think these gold needs to come down first. I still wanted a retest of this resistance as well, where gold broke out. Not what I was looking at. See, look, closure above. This would have been like a perfect trade I would have taken, but it would have slapped me out anyway. I would have had my stop loss below. Price would have come down, hit my stop, and then pushed up. Gold is something else. Gold is something else. Nice little breakout trade there. We swept the New York high, so I'm thinking we're going to switch to bearish. I think we get a pullback. Price will go down. I think so. I want price to come down. So you guys should sell the pullback. Trust me. Man. If I'm gonna get into some sales, I need confirmations first. Anyways. Like there's no confirmations here for me for the sales. Just yet, not just yet. The GJ still pushing. Yeah, nothing for the sales just yet. $46.05, then a retest maybe. Oh, you think it's gonna come? Oh, I think it's gonna come further up, then drop. Starting, let's wait and see, but we are still looking good for buys. Let's see how the fair value gap plays out. This is also news in 40 odd minutes, 38 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. the start of the drop here. Let's see what market open does. But if this resistance holds, I think a pullback does look good. I do like a pullback if we hold below 45.81. I'm not expecting a tank, but I am expecting a drive down at least for this bottom wick. If that happens, if the next candle opens and creates a bottom wick for this candle here, then it should drop, come down into this range, and then close above. And then I can start looking for some more buys. But I need this bottom wick first. Don't forget the news at 3. Oh no, I haven't forgotten the news. Definitely not. Definitely not. I'm just kind of anticipating what the next couple candles could look like. So maybe a little drop, pull back, and then continue up. Like last time this news came out, it didn't seem like it was super high impact. It wasn't massive move. Look at this, it dropped here and then pushed up. How big is this candle? Damn, 300 pips. What's a big push? Oh yeah, this day the market was moving. Look, this candle's 460 pips. Oh, these candles were moving. Price was moving crazy in April. 370 pips. Oof. Big moves, big moves, big moves. I'm selling. Good luck on those sells. You got it, you got it. Five minute. Five minutes, just a bearish candle. For me, that's not enough of a confirmation that price is going down. That's not something I would look for. Just one bearish candle. Here we go. Minute and a half. missed your sells. You did. Yeah, that would have been a nice place. Alright, here we go. It's like a continuation pattern. It does. It actually does. That's not necessarily great for the sells. But it could just push up, fill some of this wick, and then drop back down. But if we break this low, I think we do get a nice pullback. I mean, I still want these lows here. Alright, so we're back at this resistance. Let's see if we can hold again. Oh, nice. What was the TP for NAS today? It was 279.18. Very close, very close. W buy target for Nas. Yeah, man. I mean, it didn't quite get there. It didn't quite get there. If you guys missed it, Nas was. I think it reaches though. I think it gets there. What's happening, Carl? What's good? What's good? So to get the buy target for Nas, I had this low here, this 1 hour low, and then I had the highs here. This is the high, so most recent high from those lows, and then the minus 27. So yeah, we're about to hit that target. Let's hit it like that, like so. Yeah, nice. Not bad. That's how you find for fibs. This is how you find targets for all-time highs. This is how you find them. Yeah. How's your morning been, Carl? Any trades today? How's it looking? Gold has been a bit blah. Yes, damn, look, broke the low. Now the sales look good to me. Now the sales look good. I wouldn't sell. For me, I wouldn't sell on the first bearish candle. That's never been my style. I need more confirmations. We got the bearish candle. Next candle pushed up, retested the resistance, which is an area we were looking at to see if it held, which it has. Then entry would have been break of these lows. But that thing just dropped. Damn, it was pushing up. Too busy looking at flipping Nas. Target bottom wick right here. Target the bottom wick. We come back to this area, drop down and then close above. Ideally out before the 3 p.m. news. Nice. Nice sells, nice. Alright. How far are we dropping gold? How far are we coming down? Hit 2 little scalps, 1 stopped out, 1 broke even. Okay. Yeah, true, true. Come on, gold. Are you dropping a little bit more? Yo, Naz is gone. Naz is gone. Naz was a nice breakout. Naz was a nice breakout. Closed above the resistance. Pulled back, but at every time still stayed above it. Yeah, real nice. Real nice, Naz. Real nice, real nice. Gold. Yeah, gold just hasn't... I mean, look, when I look at gold today, it hasn't been... I liked the buys up, but it didn't give me any entries with this structure. It didn't give me any entries with this structure. That's all good. You know, buying up from a support. This was too early. 6 o'clock. I don't really like to get into trades that early. Off the page. Already hit most TPs. Okay, if we do a 4 hour fib from these lows, we come up looking at 28.05, 053. I think that's just gonna keep pushing anyway. I think that's just keep going. Yeah, I think that keeps going. Excellent. Coming back for this bottom wick. Finally. Maybe news will help push gold down a bit. Just give us a little drop. If the news can bring gold down, retest here, and then we get the bounce, that would be perfect. We would need very good numbers. We need very good numbers on both sets of news. Let's go to the right day. That would help. But yeah, both sets of news would be good. Yeah, look, and we usually get good numbers. Well, higher than 53.7 usually. And Jolts, no, it's been okay for the past 2 months. Ooh, cool. Let's see how the other 4 hours closing. Filling that top wick. News in 5. I'm gonna try limit orders. Okay. Get some quick scalps. As always, back test it. As always, make sure it works for you. Obviously, don't try stuff with a live account. Always have the data, see if it works. Best thing you can do. Always test it out, test it out. News in 10. In 10. Is that it? Is that all the push down we're gonna get? Nah, we need this bottom wick though, man, before we keep going up. Ain't no way. Oof. Man, to the moon. Who's at my door? Postman. Man, any sellers? Were you in and out? I hope you were in and out. Hope you were in and out. They haven't broke above this resistance anyway, like closed above it, so that's good. Pushing up before the news. Boom, 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 boom. What do you reckon, chat? Are we going up? Are we going up or are we coming back down for this news? Where do you think gold's going from here? What do you think? How do you think the news is going to play out? Do you think gold is going to go up or is gold coming down? I forgot to do a poll. That's what I should have done. I should have done a poll. I'm going to do a poll for NFP. I won't forget. I won't forget for NFP. This news is kind of, I don't feel like it's as high impact as NFP usually is, so I'm gonna definitely do a poll for NFP. And this is double news as well, so this is a bit tricky. We could get a whipsaw, we could get a push up and a push down, but the good thing is this 30-minute candle didn't break this high. It didn't break this high on the 30-minute, although we didn't come back down for this bottom wick yet. But I really want this bottom wick before gold buys up. I do. It did not. Ooh, getting a bit of a pullback on NAS. The XY still ranging. The XY still ranging. I expected more of a drop than that. You and me both. You and me both. I thought if this resistance was gonna hold, we'd come back. I really wanted this bottom wick before the news. Before the news came out, because then I can just play the news. Like, yeah. But if gold doesn't come back down for this wick, then I don't know if I'm gonna catch a move today. Or it might just be a late move. It might just be a very late move. Probably what might happen. Maybe. Sorry, I'm yawning. Really chilling. Gold's really chilling at this resistance. Ben, you would have had another opportunity to get in using your limit order. Yeah. Oh, look at that gap up. What a gap. My Forex factory is always a bit late with the news. Very late. input in news now here. So very good numbers. Okay, not so great for services PMIs, but good numbers for Jolts. So it's that mixed. It's mixed, but it's these PMIs, it's only missed by 0.1. It's not bad. And then the Jolts has come out slightly above forecast. So it's kind of mixed news. Kind of mixed. Kelvin, hey. Mixed data. See, look, good numbers and then okay numbers. Oh no, that's it, it's here. Yeah. LOW, nothing. Nothing. I do want sales. I want price to come down to 45, 48. I want it to come down. If not 45, 48, at least somewhere below 45, 64. Just a little wick down and then gold can come back up. That'll be perfect. That would be perfect. Drop from here. Drop from here would be good. This is very, I don't know, I can't say that it's low volume, low volatility news yet because it's only been 3 minutes. So it depends on how this candle closes, where it pushes to. It's still early. Still early. Gold is moving very slowly, very slowly. Don't do us like that, gold. Come on now. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I think I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. So for the next 30 minutes, I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close. But my main idea that I'm looking for today is buys. I definitely have a buyer's bias. But in order for me to get into my buys, I need this candle here, this 2 o'clock candle, to have a bottom wick. I need price to come down, create this bottom wick, and then push up before I take the buyers. And that's because if I get into buyers now, in the back of my head, I still know that price needs to come down here. So I don't want to take any buyers and then I get in, gold comes, wicks down, slaps me out, and then continues up. So I'd rather wait for this candle or whatever candle to come down. Whatever candle comes down here to create this wick, I think that candle closes above. It pushes below 45.64, closes above, and then the next candle potentially pushes back up. That's what I'm looking for, because I don't want to take buyers all the way up here. I was anticipating with a closure above this resistance that price would push up some more, but yeah, I need price to come down first, and that would be good, because if this 4-hour candle here can come and create a longer bottom wick, then flip bullish, I think we, you know, start heading back up to 46.30. So I'm not actively gonna take any sells. I'm just looking for buys after the pullback, which I think is coming at some point, hopefully sooner rather than later. Hopefully sooner. Yeah, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you. Yes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done for today. Well, for now anyway, because I'm going to watch it for like another hour, see how this 30-minute candle closes, and then yeah, make a move. If not, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. But thanks for joining, guys. Be safe this NY session. You know, gold is this push up was just straight up, no delay, no bottom wick. Gotta be careful out here with gold. Gotta be careful out here with gold, man. Yeah, appreciate you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. What do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow, I think it's only ADP. Yeah, tomorrow is gonna be light. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be super. Should be a smooth day. Should be. Another thing to look out for maybe is these war headlines. Because now they're talking about Iranian ships being attacked, something like that. So yeah, be careful, man. Be careful. All right, Benny, Rosie, everyone in here still. I will see you guys tomorrow or in the Discord, especially if we get a move. If we come back for that, but I'm gonna set an alert. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set an alert right here just in case I miss this. Damn, look, gold did not want to come back for this bottom wick. In fact, I'm gonna set the alert like this. Right, trigger it, add alert. Can't give it a name. Okay, cool. No name, but alert's right here. So I'm gonna look out for this alert. And that'll be my signal that I might want to get in. But yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.